friends, for your math journal today, you're going to need your subtraction to 10 paper with the donuts at the bottom. Now, I'm going to remember the first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. I'm going to put my name at the top. Okay, now we're going to cut out these donuts at the bottom down here to use as our counters, as our manipulatives. So I'm going to get these cut out first. And then we're going to use these to help us solve our subtraction sentences. Okay, almost done cutting mine out. Remember, if you need to pause, you can always pause the video. Okay, so my first subtraction sentence says 8 minus 3 equals. So I need to start with 8. So I'm going to count on 8 donuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's reference our subtraction sentence again. 8 minus 3 equals. Let me make sure I have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8. And now minus the minus is telling me to take away. And I know that I need to take away 3. So I'm going to just take them away. 1, 2, 3. And now I'm going to count how many donuts are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 left. So I'm going to make his hat, make his back, make his chubby belly fat. So 8 minus 3 equals 5. Okay, friends, so remember, the first number is how many you're starting with. And then we have our minus. Remember, Mr. Minus is going to take away. The second number is how many we're taking away. Then we're writing how many we have left. All right, boys and girls, do your very best. And Mrs. Mullins and I will see you back here soon.